Actually, clonal hematopoiesis and the evolution of plasma cell neoplasm, sort of analogous processes. We think about, I was just describing clonal hematopoiesis, where you have mutations that arise early and then evolve over time to maybe progress to MDS or AML. And we think about plasma cell neoplasms, where you have precursor disorders, monoclonal gammopathy of undetermined significance, and then smoldering multiple myeloma progressing into multiple myeloma. From what we know, those precursor conditions actually have many of the same genetic changes that we see in multiple myeloma. So we see many of those of the translocations, the 1114, 414 translocations that we see in multiple myeloma. So many of the same copy number changes, hyperdiploidy, or abnormalities in chromosome 13 that you see in multiple myeloma. So those seem to be early events. They drive the initial clonal process that leads to MGUS or smoldering myeloma. And then there may be additional events that happen subsequently that drive the transformation from the precursor to multiple myeloma. Those haven't totally been worked out, but I think often those are mutations in genes involved in MAP kinase signaling, so things like RAS mutations that may drive proliferation or sort of neoplastic transformation. But I think that's another area of ongoing research to really understand what drives that transformation. Can we predict which patients will progress from MGUS or smoldering myeloma to active multiple myeloma by understanding which mutations are highest risk. So hopefully, again, in the near future, we'll have better and more specific answers to that.